Hi, this is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, owner of Source Development Inc., a home improvement company in Garnerville, New York. And this is how to repair drywall cracks. So I've simulated a crack in the wall. They have many products available for assisting you in repairing drywall cracks. This is one, it's called Goodbye Cracks. It's basically an elastic crack cover. So you would repair the crack in ordinary fashion by applying compound over the crack. If the crack is sizable, however, we'll end up having to apply paper tape over it. So we'll apply compound liberally, cut out a section of paper tape, apply the paper tape. After applying the tape, you'd apply finish coats of compound. Once the drywall tape is dried along with the finish coats, you want to spray some of the Goodbye Cracks, which is an elastic finish. The reason being is, if you have any expansion and contraction, this elastic finish will stretch with it while keeping the seam filled. And that's how to repair drywall cracks. This is Nicholas Irachi, the Home Source Guy, owner of Source Development Inc., a home improvement company in Garnerville, New York.